Hi there. So this is Betty Yu, and I will be doing the Power Lab today, and today it's June 19, 2014. Okay, so basically for the Power Lab, our purpose is we will investigate power walking and running up a flight of stairs. And we will also be working with calculations in the metric and English system, so we can see how horsepower, an English term, relates to watts, which is metric. So yeah. So we have our materials right here. I don't have a meter stick, but I have a ruler. See. We also need a calculator to calculate our data. And I have a stopwatch on my phone right here. Okay. And then, of course, we have our flight of stairs. And unfortunately, this is the best I could get it. Sorry about the TV and the other interruptions. But basically, I'll just be walking and running up the stairs about several times. So this is what we do. Our procedure is, first we have to record the number of steps in the flight of stairs. We'll measure them using the ruler. And then we'll measure the height of each step in both, and record it in the data table as both feet and, what does that say, meters, you know? And then we'll record my weight in pounds, and which is the English system, and also kilograms, which is the, oh, actually, never mind, newtons, which is the British metric system. And then, using our stopwatch, we'll slowly walk up the stairs and record the time that it takes. And then, using the stopwatch, we'll run up the stairs. Yeah. So, basically, I'll input all my data into the data table, and I'll attach it to the file with the questions as well. But I'll show the data table here in this video sometime after I get all my results. So yeah, let's do this. Okay, so I'll first be walking up the stairs. Hang on. Okay, ready, set, go. Stop. Okay, stop. So I got 9 seconds and 85. So what we're going to do is record it into our data table, and then we'll use it for the later on calculations and such. Okay, I'll begin trial 2 now. Okay, trial 2. Wait, let me fix this. Okay, I'm not very graceful when I run, so. Okay, running, ready, set, go. No. Okay, so what I've got here is 3 seconds and 3.9 seconds basically. So record that into our data table, and that's all we have to do. Okay, so now that we have our data in our data table, we can move on to the calculations. So we have to find out 3 things: work, power, and horsepower. So so for work, what we have to do is take our data from the data table and use the formula force times distance. So we have to take the values from the weight column and the distance or displacement from the data table as well, and then we get our value for work. And then for power, we use the formula work divided by time. So this time we're going to use the values we just calculated from work and divide them by the total time we used to climb the stairs. And of course it's going to be different since we walked up the stairs and then we ran up the stairs. So yeah, and then for horsepower, well, this one's kind of tricky. Let's see. It seems to us that we have to as well, we have to bring in the data from our data tables. And then we just plug it into the equation, so we just plug and chug, and basically we get the horsepower. Even though we haven't learned about horsepower yet, but I'm going to try my best to figure it out and stuff. Okay, so I guess this is the end of the video. So if you want to see the questions, answers, and the data table, just check out the attachment that I sent to the Dropbox. So yeah, and I'll email this video to you. Okay, thank you. Bye.